Pictar. DSLR your iPhone. So let's take a closer look at some of Pictar's more exciting features. The first and most important is letting the iPhone's camera live up to its full potential. Pictar offers no less than 5 external buttons for controlling the iPhone's camera. The multi-state electronic shutter button is calibrated for maximum sensitivity, just like high-end cameras. A half press on the shutter button locks the focus and exposure to allow tracking of a moving object or to compose the perfect shot. Pressing all the way will result in an immediate shot. Want to take control to the next level? Just press on the center of the screen and move the circle anywhere you want to measure lighting. At the front of the grip is the zoom ring. Turn it to zoom into the subject or out. Pressing this ring will let you toggle between the front and back camera for the coolest selfies ever. And what's most cool about Pictar is that it lets you take pictures with one hand, leaving your other hand for other important things. Now let's move up to the exposure compensation wheel, which gives complete control over the exposure simply by turning it right or left. Increments are by f-stop values, just like in any DSLR. This button can truly open up a whole new world of playing with light. The last button is the Smart Wheel. Same as all other controls, it's also fully programmable. With the Pictar app that comes with the device, you decide which parameters you want to control. In default mode, the Smart Wheel controls the photo modes such as Sport, Portrait, Snow, and more, but this can easily be changed to manual mode and many other options. Pictar app is the turbo engine driving Pictar forward. To develop it, we teamed up with a great app company, which gave it maximum ease of use. The app is operated by a patented ultrasonic frequency system, which offers low power consumption of both Pictar and the iPhone compared to standard Bluetooth connection. Pictar design is inspired by classic DSLR cameras. When you hold it, you'll feel right at home thanks to the ergonomic body, coated with non-slip material. Pictar is designed for a steady one-handed grip without compromising on the compact feel of taking pictures with a smartphone. And it even works with gloves. Pictar comes with a comfy wristband to keep it secured, and also a padded case to keep it safe in your bag. A standard 1/4 inch connector on the bottom lets you connect any tripod for extra creative shots. And a cold shoe connector on top is useful for many lighting devices. Pictar is compatible with iPhone models from 4 to 6S and is designed to suit future models too when it's time to upgrade. It also makes sharing a single Pictar to be super easy and fun. Oh yeah, and there's us, Team Migo. And this is our 3rd time we're on Kickstarter, after we brought to market, thanks to you, more than 10 products that make photography a lot more fun and simple. To develop Pictar, we put together a winning team that includes product designers, app developers, and techies who worked together for a year to make this dream come true. Dear backers, we're turning to you again and asking for your support to bring Pictar to market. Join us. Pictar. DSLR your iPhone.
The Air Selfie, the only portable flying camera integrated into your mobile phone cover. Micro and ultra light, it comes with its very own device for storage and charging, with an easy one-hand control from its own app. Where did the idea come from? Well, I'll show you. Look at this, what an epic day out. A bona fide selfie time, as they say. Just need to squeeze a teeny bit. No, never mind. A more manageable group. Just 2 guys, actually, that want to take a selfie to remember this wonderful place. Well, I guess they can just describe the view to their friends back home, right? Okay, one more try. This time a good old barbecue outside on a sunny day with lots of friends. Let's try the selfie stick strategy. Still can't fit everybody in. Annoying situations, am I right? We've all been there, buddy. That's how Air Selfie was born. A perfect team gathered together, working in London, Milan, and Shanghai to combine microflying technologies, ultralight HD cameras with in-flight stability systems. Air Selfie can travel in a 20-meter radius and hovers for up to 3 minutes. It's easily controllable from both iOS or Android smartphone apps. It's only 52 grams and it slots into its phone cover and recharges. So what if the guys had an Air Selfie with them? They'd make it hover, find the perfect angle, and leave the controls. Finally, snap an amazing photo with the selfie delay timer mode while it is autonomously flying and keeping its position in the air. Awesome! What about the two explorers? They'd select the classic flying mode from the 3 options available. Control Air Selfie through the app by holding the phone horizontally and take both memorable photos and videos. And what would have happened at the barbecue? Enough with the squeezing. Just select the selfie mode. Use only 2 buttons to find the right distance to shoot and take a great picture. What about an indoor location? Whatever it may be, a party at somebody's house or a night out in a club, there are no issues. Air Selfie flies easily. It's simple to control and very safe. And once you shoot a great picture, don't keep it to yourself. It's so easy to share it right from your phone. As easy as grabbing the Air Selfie safely while it's still hovering in the air. So this is Air Selfie, the only portable flying camera integrated into your mobile phone cover. Ready to explore new perspectives? Let's take a look at its technical features. Power bank inside its own custom phone cover. A battery that charges itself in only 30 minutes. 5-megapixel HD video camera to shoot social media optimized images. Sophisticated sensors and its own Wi-Fi control unit. In-flight stability systems to hover autonomously. The smallest and most powerful brushless motors. It's safe to grab while it's still hovering. And of course, its own 4GB micro SD memory. Ultra light with a solid Italian designed case. Compact and easy to carry with you anywhere you go. Ready for the revolution? Air Selfie is on Kickstarter. Help us to get it into production. Become an Air Selfie ambassador by pre-ordering now.
Hi, my name is Thomas Chen. I'm with Stylus, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Stylus Camera Kit. To install the case is very easy. All you need to do is slide your phone in, and then attach the bottom piece and screw it down. Looking at our case, we have a very screen protector friendly design. We have cutouts so you can have access to all your original ports and buttons, and we also have a flip out kickstand on the back that allows you to set it down and watch your movies. The unique part of our case is the removable disc on the back. I can take this disc off, which opens up my case to a world of possibilities. One of our attachments is our revolver lens. You can attach this to the back of the case, and this gives you access to 4 different types of lenses on your phone. Here we have a circular polarizing filter, which allows you to cut glare on windows or even make the skies bluer. Here we have a fisheye lens, which gives you that really distorted fisheye wide-angle look. Next, we have a wide-angle lens, which gives you just a little bit wider field of view. If you remove the wide-angle lens, this is our macro lens. A macro lens allows us to get really close to our subject and really magnify it. Once you're done taking pictures, you can flip the lens back in the case and all the lenses are protected by the case. You can remove the revolver lens and return the case back to its slim profile when you're done taking pictures. As you can see, the Stylus Camera Kit is the first of its kind. It's very stylish and very compact. The 4-in-1 revolver lens allows you to turn your smartphone into a better camera anytime, anywhere.
You attach it to their collar and track them on your phone or computer. It works for all pets. Really, all pets. Pod helps you when your escape artist runs away, so you can locate them anytime, anywhere. There's also a safe zone feature, so when your furry friend escapes, you get an alert on your phone. Have you ever wondered what your pet gets up to when you're not around? Well, now you can follow their adventures to see exactly where they've been. You can even monitor their activity levels to make sure they're getting enough exercise. Never lose your pet again with Pod.
To receive deliveries, see who comes by, or protect it from unwanted visitors. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. Ring streams HD video and audio over your home Wi-Fi to mobile devices. With Ring, you'll never miss a visitor.
Delivery from Mr. Phillips?
Great, just leave it by the door, thank you.
And Ring's customizable motion detection makes it easier than ever to keep an eye on your property.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's cloud recording feature, you can instantly access, replay, and share your video events. When it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home, even when you're not.
Hello?
I'm just in the neighborhood doing free house painting estimates.
I'm bathing the children right now.
All right.
Most burglaries start with a ring of your doorbell to make sure you're not home. Alarm systems alert you after someone has entered your home, but you can build a ring of security around your entire property in just minutes. Start with a Ring Video Doorbell, then simply add a stick-up cam anywhere you want extra coverage. Stick-up cam installs with one easy click and operates off a built-in rechargeable battery.
Can I help you?
Ring helps families keep their homes secure and prevents break-ins before they occur, during the day and at night. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide variety of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Ring works on any home, whether you have available power or not. And should someone steal your Ring, we'll even replace it for free. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home. Order your Ring Video Doorbell today at ring.com.